you guys, finally I got my hands on the most viral blush on. These are the On The Glow blush from Pixie Beauty. So I got two shades right here. Let's try one by one. First, I'm going to try this beautiful bubblegum pink shade, and the name of this shade is Fleur. And you can see how easy it is to just twist and use it. Can you see, this is so gorgeous? And I'll just apply second layer of this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I'll just blend the outer edges. It's so beautiful, light pink shade, and I'm just loving this. Now on this side of my face, I'll try the other shade. The name of this shade is Ruby. One layer. And second layer. Now let me blend the edges. Wow, this is looking so youthful and gorgeous, and I can apply this even on my lips and on my eyes as well.